A DK Minute by request from across the borders, Modern Jive.
Teach me to dance. Teach me to dance.
Modern Jive, kind of a strange dance actually. It's not quite a stomp, which is, as you know, a one-step swing. It's not quite a hustle because the footwork is slightly different. It's not quite a jive because it doesn't have the bounciness and the triple step of jive. It's something unto itself, and we really don't know what exactly. But we do understand that modern jive is danced to slower music, much slower music than regular jive, which is jitterbug, basically. The basic step to modern jive is a one-step swing, a rock step, and two walks. Now, it's this rock step that we have to take into consideration. If we're dancing a hustle, a lot of times people will bring the feet together, step, step, before the walk. If you're dancing a single step swing, a lot of times you'll see rock step with the foot in place. In the modern jive, you'll see a rock and this foot will slip slightly backwards, but not completely to close, just slightly backwards. Similar to samba, if some of you know that, which is kind of a strange reference, but that's the way it is. So today, we're going to use that style. Now, we like this style actually because what it does is it pulls the foot back completely underneath your longeral axes, underneath your vertical center, so that you are perfectly balanced on your center before your next step, whatever that is. Now, whether you dance your modern jive like that or not is completely your preference. So you have 4 basic steps to modern jive. The basic step itself, a change of place, the underarm turn, and a natural opening out movement or basic link.
You don't have to be beautiful to turn me on. I just need your body, baby, from dusk till dawn. Yeah, you don't need experience to turn me out. You just leave it all up to me. I'm gonna show you what it's all about. You don't have to be rich extra time in your kiss. You got to not talk dirty, baby.